So welcome back to ONSC Live. The answer to this week's riddle is winged sumac. Winged sumac, its scientific name is Ruscopalinum, but it also goes by some other common names like flame leaf sumac and dwarf sumac. As you can see, why they call it flame leaf, it has this brilliant red, bright red color and orange in the fall. It looks like it's on fire. Winged sumac is a native deciduous tree. It's a small tree, or sometimes called a shrub. And deciduous trees are trees that lose their leaves that change color in the fall, whereas coniferous trees are the ones that keep their leaves all year round and are green all the time, which is why they're sometimes called evergreens. Look at this winged sumac and the flame-like leaves. Look at the colors on this thing. So if you look closely here, it has an alternate leaf, so it means it comes out at alternate points going along the stem. And I know it's weird to think about as this being the leaf, but this is actually the leaf. And then these little guys on here are called the leaflets. And on the leaflets part, these are pinnately and they're opposite, so they're growing off the same spot, opposite of each other, almost as if it was like a mirror image of it. And then if you look closely, you can see why it's called the winged sumac. Looks like it has wings coming off of the leaf stalk, right there. Pretty cool, right? The winged sumac, the reason why it's sometimes called a shrub or a small tree is because it rarely grows over 10 feet tall. Now we're up on something called Memorial Rock here on our ONSC campus, and you can see behind me, this winged sumac, it still isn't very tall. The winged sumac has greenish yellow leaves that bloom between July and September. We don't see them right now because we're out here in the fall, but what is visible in the fall are the berries, which are also called drupes. They grow in these big clusters and can have anywhere from 100 to 700 seeds in one single cluster. Really cool. Different animals like to eat the fruits. So there are deer and rabbits. They like to eat the bark and the twigs, but over 300 different types of songbirds will eat the fruits of the winged sumac. And that's pretty cool. Native Americans used to use the berries to make dyes and also to treat some diseases like dysentery. Otherwise, what we can use them for today is for maybe our own dyes, but also they're pretty sweet, so you could use them for jelly or maybe in lemonade, which I hear is delicious. Thank you for tuning in this week to ONSC Live. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode, and we look forward to seeing you again next week for our video. Be sure to check out the new riddle that's posted today. Alright, bye!